Okay, YouTubers, I just want to show you guys the charge that's coming in right now. But this is just the solar array is off. I'm gonna turn it on now. As you see, it's bringing 77.3 on the open circuit, and it's gonna go on load right now. And let's see, it's dropping to now it's dropping to 59 and 63.6. So I show you the weather out there. It's crappy, and this is the KYOCERA is bringing an amp from that array because it's all tied in series. And earlier when I was looking at it, was 1.8 before I grabbed the camera. So I just lost it again. It's really foggy outside, you know. Inside this combiner, I have midnight solar breakers here, 150 volt, 30 amps. See that? Okay. This is how foggy it is outside. Way foggy. It's terrible. Bad. You know, bad. System was bringing 1.8 earlier, and look at that. Bad day. You know. Well, it's right there. Charge controller is on. He ran the system yesterday, but remember, guys, we didn't charge the batteries at all because the system was disconnected. Because we were working on an array. So he used it the day before, and it came down. The voltage came down, and all of a sudden, we brought the two array down. We put one array up, the other one was down, and we didn't power the system at all. No charge. And he ran the system all night yesterday, refrigerator and everything, lights and televisions, everything. So, you know, we're still sitting at 25.2. You know, I'm just hoping I can have an open window right here. I can able to show you guys exactly what this power, what the system can do. There's a 580 amps on the battery, and the garage right now is 22 degrees Celsius. See, the batteries are 45 SOC. Yeah, sea lead acid. .2 volts coming in from the array, and like I was saying, it just dropped way too bad. It's misting and foggy. It's half an amp. It's just an half an amp. I saw earlier was 1.8 amps coming in. So when I pick up the camera, and it's just like I just lost that. Okay. Alright, see you on the next episode. Well, this is just for the KYOCERAs though. That's the KYOCERA, the 4 panels out there. So I'm gonna hook up the charge controller for the high voltage solar panels there, the black ones, and so that we can see what those ones can do on this crappy weather. Okay, stay tuned, and please subscribe, thumbs up to the videos. I know some people comment on other things yesterday about the far out cable with the 2 gauge log. I already corrected that thing because I have to go, like I was telling you guys, I have a small window to play with because I don't want to mention that in the video because my friend's gonna go on the surgery. So that's why we try to do the best we can. He want to help, so I don't want to put him. I don't want to say no. So he want to help. So we ran to the store that morning, but you know, I don't want it so that we spend a lot of time at the store without starting the project. And I end up with the project last night till 10 a.m. We started at 11 a.m. in the morning. We closed the project at 10:40 p.m., which is 22:40 hours military time. Okay, but anyway, I'm alone here and I'm doing my thing. And disconnect outside, they already connected, they already mount them up for disconnect both arrays. And now this is what we're gonna do. Hold on quick. All right, sorry about that. Something I just trying to correct. You know, I have to stop the camera, I have to attend to that. So there's a disconnect right there, and another disconnect is gonna come here. Just brought the wires. That's disconnect for the KYOCERAs. So right there, and here is the good stuff, you know. And let's check his battery SOC state of charge. Look at that. Okay, it says about 81%. 81%. Don't you like this? It's cool. And this is for the 12 volt for his lights, DC lights. You can push this one, lights comes on, but I haven't connected that one. So this one, flip that. See, 77, 79, 80, 81 SOC right now, state of charge of the battery right now. So yeah. Well, another subscriber asked if I can make a video for these 150 Tiger Claws. So I will see what I can do. Like I was saying, I'll wait for Tom till he get back from the hospital and see what I can do. If he's gonna let me run this one so that I can just make a video for you, so you know, the person know himself, the one I'm talking to. A good friend, always be there, supportive friend. Thank you so much, and I love you guys all, and thanks for watching the videos. And this cable is gonna be cleaned up. Not done yet with it, just run the system because at least he can able to run the system yesterday. You know, I have to do a lot of cleanup here, you know. But anyway, the amps are climbing. We have a 0.7 now. All right. Okay. Video has already gone about 8 minutes, over 8 minutes. So I'll contact you guys back with the latest. Thank you. And please subscribe, thumbs up to the video. This is JW Solar USA, Minnesota, Woodbury.